Hello and welcome. We are Keonda and Elonda, two sisters originally from Camden, New Jersey. We've been together our entire lives, and yes, we do have the same mother and father. In other words, we're not play sisters. We often do a lot of adventures together, considering we live nearly 600 miles apart. Our newest adventure is taking our RVs out. Elonda has a 28-foot Surveyor Forest River travel trailer, which she's pulling with her 2012 F-150. And I have a 22-foot 2021 Wolf Pup Forest River travel trailer, which I'm pulling with my 2018 Ford F-250. Join us while we adventurous two sisters experiencing this RV lifestyle.
Okay, so I am working on my closet, trying to organize it a lot better than this. Every time you open it up, everything falls out to the floor. To the top, to the bottom. I also had one of those little 3-drawer thing. Does not work for me. And now we're going to install some shelves. Before, and we will soon see the after. So this is how the closet looks with the bins in there. And see how it's still like a lot more space, but I felt like it's not being used. And my closet was still junky because there was just not enough room in those little drawers from Walmart. So let's go ahead and put some shelves in this closet also too. The first thing we need to do is put a light in the closet. So I have this light and I'm about to put it up with my strips. Okay, so I'm going to find a space in my closet for my light. And I decided to place it right here on the side, and it cuts off and on. This is the area that I'm going to put shelves in my closet. It's a very small space and I need to have at least 3 shelves in there if I can make it happen. Okay, so tonight I'm putting in shelves in my closet. I've started working on it. I put one piece in here, one piece in the back, and I'm still working. Seems like it's going to be all nighter to put in 3 shelves. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm working on one shelf. I just got one piece in. Now I have to get the second piece over here in. It's just not too hard. And then I have to put the back pieces on. This angle right here is probably the hardest angle to get. Alright, so now I have this one on, this one on, working on the back side. Really hard angle to get back there because you have to turn the drill this way. So the first thing I did was put a light in. I put one corner piece in here. And then I also put one corner piece there. And then I put one piece in the back. And then I have to put another piece here in order to make the shelf very sturdy. I'm going to try to put in 3 more shelves tonight. So I have 2 more shelves that I need to put in. Okay, so let's finish. Alright, so there's the light. I've got all 4 pieces in now. And the shelf is very, very sturdy. Not falling at all. So now I'm going to put in the rest of those. These are from Lowe's. I did have them cut. I also use these concrete stud shelf clips that go into the back. And these are what I use for the sides. And there's 12 in each bag. I didn't have anybody to help me, so I had to use a pillow and 2 plastic drawers to help me hold it up so that I was able to drill it in. And now I still have the back to put on and still one more side. But these were my support. So I have a few more screws to put in before I'll be finished. Then I have a few screws I need to put in the back. Oops. Let me do the other side. Really not too hard. Alright, so there we go. We have all 3 shelves in. I purchased this light from Dollar Tree. Really great light. Just stick it here on the side of the wall. And there it is. All 3 shelves put in. Really large area. Makes it larger anyway. My pillow and my drawer has made it easy to hold it up to help me. So I still have to fasten the last one, put all the things, the hardware on it. Alright, so this is how everything is turning out so far. It has been really hard trying to put these shelves in. It definitely was not easy. This is the ending result. I feel like I could get about 20-30 shirts on the first shelf. The second shelf I could get about 10 pair of jeans. The third shelf is my night clothes. And at the bottom I'm able to put sneakers there. So I got about 4 pair of sneakers there. I probably could get about 8 pair of sneakers. Still have a lot of shelf space on the first shelf, second shelf, the third shelf, and my shoes. And then I have my little Dollar Tree light that lightens up everything. Dollar Tree light for $1. So this is what it actually looked like after I put my clothes in. Lots of room for more clothes. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. 3 shelves.